No kind of real amendments to it, by the way.
Back here.
Up here, I pretty much didn't do anything. I put a little bit of peat up here, and that is it. I didn't really dig down very good or anything. And I checked on one of these volunteers the other day, and you can see the potatoes growing up beside it, so I covered it all up. It's hilarious. Oh, hold on. Okay, so this is a potato bed I did as a little science experiment, kind of, from some old store-bought potatoes that I forgot I had. So, let's see what's going on.
There's 2 watermelons over here.
I know. The little watermelons from last year volunteering their lives to us and stuff. We gotta do the same thing though. I would just do one plant at a time.
Yeah.
Because oh my heaven, there's so many little watermelons over here, Chad. Oh look. Well, it's gonna be a seed potato, but right at the top. Can you put that in a bucket for me?
Right at the top.
It was right at the top of the soil here. All right. Okay. Oh.
These are small.
Oh. I wouldn't be surprised how small a bunch of them might be because I did
like
not do anything up here at
They
all.
look like little pearls.
Oh, those are like little baby seed potatoes. Look, this is actually not at all bad. And these are all Yukon Gold. These watermelon are gonna be grateful for the root room. Isn't that really that? Look at this. Look at this little. This I bet you could plant in the back garden where I put the sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
This will absolutely grow. So will that. Oh, that's cool. All these root systems are intact because I didn't work the soil. Oh my! Look at this.
That's cool.
Wow. Ouchie. Okay. So it could have been better, but I'm surprised. Oh.
That's not bad. That's a good size.
Mm-hmm.
For diced potatoes.
Oh, yes. Oh, whole potatoes. Cut in half even.
These are going to get ugly.
That's a good thing though. It'll get worms and stuff. It's worm food now. I was so concerned about these little watermelons right here, but they seem to be doing great here. With this. Wow. There's some old grocery potatoes. It's pretty amazing.
You could buy potatoes.
Wow, and they weren't even organic. Like,
they were store-bought.
They were just some regular old
store-bought.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one was
chain grocery store. It's cool as long as it's not. Wow, as long as it's not green. I'm really surprised at this.
Look at that one.
Wow, I'm super surprised. Did you chant this back down? This does have some mulch on it. I raked them from other spots. Like, I forgot I did that, so I guess I did do a little something. But it was truly minimal. So you gotta grab all of them. Yeah, there you go. Wow! Wow! That's amazing.
What are these?
I don't know. Some
type of plant.
Some kind of green thing. Well.
Definitely gotta take a picture of this shit.
Hey.
This is cool
No.
shit. Oh. Sorry.
Oh my word! Wow, I am amazed at this. Truly. Oh, this was part of that. Okay, so that's. Oh my word, look at that. Look at this. Wow. Wow. So this is a fun little experiment. Now, see, I done dug this a couple times. Look at that. All the little baby seed thingies. And still attached to it yet. But definitely plant these in the down even bed, maybe. I don't know. That's awesome. And look, they aerated the soil so well for the watermelon.